students, this is standard class 5. We are on chapter number 3 and lesson number 6, introduction, songs of innocence. In previous lecture we read the poem of William Blake. Now we will read something more about the poet. I have opened page number 47. We will read from here. William Blake was one of the most famous English poets. He was also one of the most talented visual artists of his time. So we have done this introduction in the previous lecture. Now we will start exercise. Comprehension, many more times I told you that what is the meaning of comprehension. Comprehension means ability or capability to understand something. A part, answer with the reference to the context. So here are the verses. You will solve this question given you in the form of notes. You can learn from there. B part, complete the summary of the poem with the help of the words in the box, given in the box. So few of them I have solved for you, and remaining you will solve by your own self. The speaker is a piper who is happily piping when he sees a child on a cloud. The child tells him to pipe a song about a lamb. Remaining you will solve with the help of these words. I'll start C part. Write the words related to each of the following words. Lamb means childlike, hairy and innocent. You will read the poem, then you will solve this question. Next, answer the following questions. These answers given you in the form of notes. You will learn from their vocabulary. Pronunciation. Pronunciation, the sound of a vowel is called a syllable. Observe how we pronounce A, E, I, O or U. Means these five are vowel sounds. These are vowels in alphabetical English alphabetic. Car, pen, fish, top and tub respectively. Observe sometimes the letter Y creates the sound of a vowel. Y is semi-consonant. It is used like consonant and for semi-vowel. This is called semi-vowel, not consonant. This is full consonant and semi-vowel. In such cases, it sounds treated as a syllable. Example, cry and fry. And if we have sound as a consonant, so we will have example just like year, yog, yield, yacht. This word shows the use of Y as a consonant, while Y is also called semi-vowel, just like cry, fry, try, my. When we pronounce a word in English, we stress some syllables more than others. In some words, we pronounce only one syllable with force. We will have example, then we will get a proper idea. Page number 49. One syllable with force. Listen to these words and repeat them. Stress the highlighted syllables. Highlighted syllables we will stress here, just like teacher, Japan, China, above, conversation, interesting, important, demand. So this is called the syllable of the vowel sounds. used by vowel sounds. Next, G part. There are 3 words in each set. Decide which word stresses on the first syllable. Circle the stressed syllable in each set. Aware, I will do one for you. Aware, stressed sound, and remaining you will do by your own self. Write the following words in the appropriate boxes. There are 2 boxes on your book. You will write appropriate words here, suitable words here for happiness and pleasure, unhappiness and sadness. Okay, in today's lecture we done exercise and answer questions you can take from the note. We have done pronunciation method, syllables, how we stressed on the syllables, and filling the blanks. Okay, in next video we will start the next chapter. Allah Hafiz.